I've had a couple of viewers ask me about the retracts that I'm using for the Lear fan. Apparently they are either going to buy the kit or have bought the kit and want to build it. Now Mr. Valentine, John Valentine, when he designed the Lear fan, he designed it around the Robart 605 HD retract, and that's what he has shown on the plans. But most modelers these days know that Robart is no longer in the retract business. I believe they have sold the rights to their retracts to some other company who I think is in the process of coming back out with those retracts, but I can't remember the name off the top of my head, and I really don't know any more information than that. So when I bought the kit about 10 years ago, I decided to not get those Robart retracts. I thought I would wait until I started building the kit, and when I did, I was in Taiwan, and the only thing available to me then were electric retracts. Now these are pretty basic, bottom of the line retracts, if you ask me. I think that they're pretty ubiquitous throughout the world. It's one of those deals where they probably all come from the same Chinese factory, and they're just rebranded with different brand names, and they're sold just about everywhere. I know I have seen something that's exactly like this, or at least very similar, in other RC builds of other websites that I go to. So I know these things are available, but I can't tell you the brand name. What I can tell you is that the brand name, and where I buy them in Taiwan, is called Tank Power. I can't imagine that means anything to anyone else. But like I said, I think these things can be found if you maybe do a Google research, RC electric retract, something very similar, if not the same, under a different brand name will pop up. These retracts they're fair at best. I have two problems with them. One is the control box. I find them to be very unreliable. I have gone through at least 5 of these control boxes that seem to break for no apparent reason. There is an input voltage restriction on them between 5 volts and 8.4 volts, and I've always used something in between there. In this case, I'm using a 5-cell nickel metal hydride, 6 volts, and it works okay. But those other boxes that I had that broke, they were working fine too until they just decided to quit working. So I took them back to the owner and said, hey, can you ship these off to have them repaired? And he said, just buy a new box. It's cheaper to buy a new box than it is to try to have them repaired. So that's what I'm doing. Disposable economics, I guess. Good for the Chinese factory, I suppose. But anyway, that's the one thing. And then the other issue I have are the struts. And they have various length struts, but they're aluminum, they're very lightweight, and they're not very durable. They cannot handle much abuse. I think I've bent probably every single one of these struts that I've ever used. Of course, it doesn't help that my landings aren't that good. But anyway, and once you bend them, they're very difficult to try to bend back. And if you've damaged the end here that fits into the boss, I find that it usually doesn't fit very well because it's a pretty snug fit as it is. So I end up buying new struts. So that's the 2 problems I have with them. But other than that, the good news is I can get them. I can get lots of replacement parts. So that answers the question as to what I'm using. I know it's not a great answer, and it's probably not the answer that you were looking for. I'm sure you want a brand where you could just go out and buy them and be done with it, but sorry, I can't help you with that. Now, if you are going to be building this kit, and I know that there are at least a couple of comments have suggested that they're buying the kit or have bought the kit, I would look into a company called Electron Retracts. I think they are much higher quality than these, at least from what I've read. I've never actually used them. I want to use them, but from what I've read, they're very high quality, and I think better than these. For me, they're a little bit pricey. If I were to get the units, the shipping and then the import duty would be very pricey for me, so I'm holding off. But if you're just starting to build this kit or thinking about building it, I would seriously research electron retracts. They're in Europe, I think in Switzerland. Don't hold me to that. But I think they would probably work very well for the fan. And finally, as you can see, I have the wing fairing is pretty much done. A little more trimming, a little more sanding, the fairing and the belly pan on the bottom. I'll have a video coming out on that probably about mid-October. I'm a little bit backed up with building and with videos, but I hope to have the next construction video on the fan come out about mid-October. And as always, thanks for watching.